guys, welcome back to my channel MET Megha. So as you know that I have made a biotic product review video earlier, and since I use a lot of biotic products, it become very difficult to cover all the products in just one video. So I've decided to split the video in couple of videos and cover all the products. So in my earlier video I have covered the products which I use in my morning care routine, and this is a sequel video in which I will be covering some of the products that I use in my night care routine. But before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel, as I have seen that the views and the subscription is about 50%, that some of the people just come and view the video but they have not yet subscribed to my channel. So please subscribe to my channel. Also like the video. If you have not seen the earlier part 1 video product review of Biotic, I'll link it above in this video. So let's start with second one. So let's start the video with Bio Morning Nectar. This is sunscreen from Biotic. And guys, they have a range of Bio Nectar like schedule. They have mentioned it all. They expect you to follow the 3 steps. That is, first to cleanse your face with Bio Morning Nectar face wash. If you have not seen the earlier video, you can just go through and have a look on the review of Bio face wash. And the second one is flawless, visibly flawless serum from Bio Nectar. And the fourth one, as needed, is the sunscreen. So this sunscreen is 30 plus SPF UVA UVB sunscreen, and they, as you know, that they claim to be 100% Ayurvedic recipes, and they are not like cosmetic products. This is always mentioned here in any product that this is not a cosmetic product, it has therapeutic properties. So I think they actually have therapeutic properties. Let's start with the sunscreen first. So this retails for rupees 199. You can get it on any offer from Purple or Nykaa, whatever you like. And so as it is mentioned right here on the bottle that it contains Ghrit Kumari. Ghrit Kumari is basically nothing else but the aloe vera that we all know has miraculous properties on our skin. It moisturizes the skin. It removes all signs of aging. As we all know that aloe vera is absolutely effective for acne prone skin and oily skin, so this is very nice for nourishment and preventing acne from your skin, because most of the sunscreen, they are so greasy and so oily that they tend to cause acne, and skin इतनी ज़्यादा oily हो जाती है उसके बाद, क्योंकि आपको you have to stand under the sun and you sweat a lot, तो skin और ज़्यादा oily हो जाती है. You need to use the sunscreen जो skin को oily ना बनाए. I think this is one of it. And this also contains methi seeds. So methi seeds is basically very effective in controlling the dryness of the skin, and it actually moisturizes the skin. Basically it prevents from dryness, so it gives the hydration to the skin. So this is all about the morning nectar. And also there are other variants from Biotic that are available under sunscreen head that you can go for, like they contain different key ingredients, so you can switch for something else if you want. And there are like sandalwood, and there are pink lentils and all. If you want to go for some other key ingredient, you can definitely opt for that. So let's move on to our next product. This is Biotic Bio Germ Youthful Nourishing Night Cream. So Biotic packing needs no introduction. This comes in 50 grams of packaging and retails for 230 rupees. And this, guys, is my holy grail. And this is one of the most effective night cream I came across. And this is so nourishing, so moisturizing, and so hydrating. I just love this product. And if you are someone like I am, as I mentioned a lot of time, that I am a combination skin, and if you are a dry skin person, then you are definitely going to love this product. If you have that dry skin, the khicha sa feeling aati hai, if you have that on your skin, guys, you will love it. My T-zone is extremely oily and I am acne prone person, but I have been using this product from a lot of time. This is a thick cream. You can see the tub is half empty, and this is a white thick cream, as you can see. And this will moisturize your skin, make your skin soft and supple, and I just absolutely love this product. Although लोग कहते हैं दैट इफ़ यू हैव ऑयली स्किन, और हम खुद भी सोचते हैं दैट आई हैव अ ऑयली स्किन, अगर ज़्यादा थिक क्रीम यूज़ करेंगे हमारी स्किन ग्रीसी हो जाएगी, एक्ने होने के चांसेस बढ़ जाएंगे, बट दिस इज़ नॉट द फैक्ट। अगर जैसे मेरी कॉम्बिनेशन स्किन है, अगर मैं कोई लाइट सीरम टाइप की कोई चीज़ लगा लूँ या कोई क्रीम जो कि थोड़ी सी थिन कंसिस्टेंसी में है, आई स्टार्ट फीलिंग ड्राइनेस की स्किन में, जैसे मैंने कुछ मॉइस्चराइज किया ही नहीं, उसका कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है गाइस। सो आई एम फ्रॉम द वन जिसको रात में नाइट क्रीम थोड़ी सी थिक होना चाहिए, नॉट दैट the cream that is giving the dryness on your skin. So I love this product. अगर आपकी oily skin है, definitely you have to go for small amount of the cream and it will do wonders on your skin. It will definitely remove the dryness or any dry patches or something on your skin, and this will do wonders on your skin. I have suggested it to many people. If you are searching for something good, some nice night cream, you should definitely give this a try. So let me just quickly go through the ingredient. As the name denotes, this is biotic wheat germ. Wheat germ is basically gehu, ankurit gehu. Ankurit gehu is like very effective for skin tones and skin quality, improving the skin quality. And wheat germ actually contains vitamin A, D and E more as compared to the other natural oils. So it actually removes all the dryness and all the effects of stress and environmental stress from your skin and nourishes your skin from deep inside. So once you apply it on the night and other morning, you will see the softness on your skin and this will do wonders on your skin. I could bet on this product that this is one of the nicest. The second important major ingredient that plays an important role in this cream is almonds. Almonds actually protect your skin cell from oxidative damage, which actually plays a major role in controlling the signs of aging from your skin. So it is very important that you should have something that contains almond oil or extracts of almonds in your product. Important thing is sunflower oil. Sunflower actually contains vitamin E that prevents your skin from free radical damage and any other damage that is caused by a lot of exposure to the environment or something else. So guys, this is one of the best product from Biotique and I absolutely love this product. So the third product is Biodandion Visibly Ageless Serum. This is for all skin type, and this is a 40 ml bottle and retails for 230 rupees. You have to use a little bit from this bottle, and this is basically a very light serum. Your serum should be actually very light क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा thick हो जाएगा, उसके बाद moisturize करना है and all that. It will become very heavy on your skin, so your serum needs to be very light in consistency. And this is a unique combination of dandelion and nutmeg, and which actually reduces the effect of aging and brightens your skin, nourishes your skin very well. And dandelion is basically a herbaceous plant which is known for its nourishing properties, rejuvenating properties, and also clarifies the acne and all. This dandelion actually acts on reducing your acne scars or psoriasis or any type of skin problems that you have on your face. This also contains bihidana, which is actually very good antioxidant and keep your skin nourished. And last but definitely not the least, it contains nutmeg. Nutmeg is basically jaifal, so it has jaifal oil in 0.5%, and jaifal actually helps in reactivating your dead cells. So let me just quickly show its consistency. This is a thinner product, and this is very light, and you can just, and this will add a beautiful sheen on your skin. So let me also tell you the right sequence of using it. Firstly, you have to cleanse your face, then apply a good toner, like wash it with the Morning Nectar Flawless Face Wash, then apply Himalayan water toner, then you have to apply this serum. This you don't have to rub it a lot, just dab on your skin. This is the right procedure, and then you can follow with your moisturizer. In the morning you can follow the coconut moisturizer, and in the night you can go with this wheat germ or whatever you like. And do not forget to add a vitamin C in your moisturizer, whatever moisturizer you are using. I'm not talking about a particular brand, you can go for any brand of your choice. I'm just telling you the sequence you should follow. Whether you are going out or you are staying at home, don't forget to apply a good sunscreen. So this is the right sequence of moisturizing your face every day, whether it is morning or night. You can skip the sunscreen at night, and you can definitely, you have to go for sunscreen in the morning. So this is the right sequence. Last but not the least, this is Biotique Biofruit Whitening Lip Balm. This is 12 gram tub and retails for 175 rupees. And guys, this is a really nice product. And this is this red color lip balm. And the best thing is this is 100% Ayurvedic, contains no chemical. The first thing is, आजकल हम इतना ज़्यादा लिपस्टिक्स यूज़ करते हैं, हम इतनी मैट लिपस्टिक्स यूज़ करते हैं, it becomes very essential to scrub your lips and put a proper lip balm on your lips. So this lip balm, actually the first thing that you have to see in your lip balm is, first thing and the foremost thing is, it should contain almond oil, and this actually contains almond oil, which actually nourishes your lips. And once you apply it at night and morning, you will see the beautiful red tint on your lip, and this will actually nourishes and you will feel that your lips are very hydrated and much more plump and beautiful and soft. So this is a really nice product. And किसी चीज़ को ट्रीट करने के लिए यू आर अप्लाइंग इवन मोर केमिकल इज नॉट अ गुड ऑप्शन. सो आई थिंक दिस chemical free products are very nice and very effective, whether it is your skin or your lips or something else. So guys, it's a wrap of the video, and this is a part 2 of Biotique product. So again, if you have not gone through the part 1 of the video, I'll also share the link in the description box. Firstly, go through the first video so you can actually know the sequence of the products that I have been using. And there are some more upcoming videos on the Biotique products. Guys, Biotique products are absolutely worth reviewing so much that these are absolutely effective. Especially the wheat germ in this video is like absolutely effective product. You should definitely try it. Let me just end the video because it will become endless and I'll be talking about this product endlessly. So see you until the next. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also leave a comment below. Please like my video, share as much as possible. You can also follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram handle is MET Megha. Thank you guys.